Since its founding in 1972, TOCAD Energy Co. Limited has established itself as a premier specialist in high-performance battery pack solutions. Leveraging over 5 decades of technical expertise, we deliver safe, high-quality battery solutions tailored to our customers' specific requirements. TOCAD Energy distinguishes itself through an integrated framework encompassing battery evaluation, design and development, manufacturing, and quality assurance. Our capabilities are supported by comprehensive in-house safety evaluation facilities and a robust global production and sales network. The Shiroishi Plant, located in Miyagi Prefecture, serves as TOCAD Energy's primary hub for advanced development and production. We evaluate and select cells, the core of every battery pack, according to our own rigorous internal standards to ensure peak performance. Our team of specialized engineers utilizes state-of-the-art simulation technology to design optimized battery solutions. From prototyping to mass production, we conduct exhaustive safety and reliability testing within our in-house facilities. By simulating diverse environments, we guarantee the safety and reliability of our products, ensuring peace of mind for every customer. Our testing protocols include rigorous assessments of overcharge, over-discharge, and environmental extremes. We utilize integrated charge-discharge systems and explosion-proof chambers to validate performance and safety under the harshest conditions. Furthermore, we utilize specialized vibration and drop impact testing equipment to verify the physical durability and resilience of our products. Data derived from these rigorous evaluations is continuously utilized to enhance the safety and reliability of our next-generation products. We achieve superior manufacturing precision by integrating automated robotic production lines with the meticulous craftsmanship of our highly skilled technicians. Every product undergoes stringent quality inspections before shipment. Only those meeting our exacting standards are delivered to our clients. A core strength of TOCAD Energy is our ability to deliver bespoke designs precisely tailored to our customers' unique specifications. Through strategic collaboration, TOCAD Energy partners with clients to engineer optimal energy solutions. For decades, we have provided optimized battery packs for diverse sectors, including industrial equipment, medical devices, and IT and communications infrastructure. In alignment with the global shift toward electrification, we are expanding our manufacturing capabilities into new sectors to create sustainable value. We provide global support through manufacturing bases in Japan and China, complemented by sales offices in Hong Kong and the United States. The TOCAD Energy team is dedicated to excellence in manufacturing, working collectively to provide industry-leading products to our customers. We are committed to fostering a sustainable and eco-friendly future through the advancement of clean energy solutions.